In this video, I'll show you how to use Facebook Dating on your laptop or PC computer. Even though Facebook Dating is designed mainly for mobile devices, there is still a simple way to access and use it on a computer. First, open any web browser on your laptop or PC, such as Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to facebook.com and log in to your Facebook account using your email or phone number and password. Make sure you are logged into the account where Facebook Dating is already available and set up, since you cannot create a new dating profile directly from a computer. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage. If you don't see the dating option right away, click on See More to expand the full menu. From there, click on Dating. In some cases, Facebook Dating may not open correctly on a desktop browser. If that happens, the most reliable solution is to switch your browser to mobile view. To do this, right-click anywhere on the Facebook page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. When the developer tools open, click the mobile device icon at the top, then refresh the page. This forces Facebook to load the mobile version of the site, which supports Facebook Dating. After refreshing, click on the Dating section again, and it should now open properly. If Facebook Dating is not showing up at all, make sure your Facebook app and account meet the requirements. Your account must be in good standing, you must be 18 or older, and the feature must be available in your country. That's all you need to know to use Facebook Dating on your laptop or PC computer. Thank you for watching.